We're going to talk about elements, molecules, and compounds. We're going to get started right away with this question: element or molecule? At the bottom, there's a whole bunch of weird chemicals. It's just a big mixed bag, and I'm going to ask for some help today from my wonderful class. They have to help decide, is it an element or a molecule? Is there anyone here that can help out? They know right away. Levi, come on up. Come on up. You're going to use your finger. You're going to go like this. You're going to drag. Oh, maybe this won't work. What? Oh, hang on. Yes, it will. Oh, like all technical things, we got a little bit of a technical glitch. Bear with us. All right. I might have to edit that part out. God. Okay. You should be able to grab with your finger anyway. You're going to scratch it. All right. So Levi's going to help us out. Choose one of them and drag it to. Do you think it's an element or a molecule? Use your fingernail and scratch. There we go. All right. O2. O2 is a molecule. Levi, can you choose someone to help you pick the next one? All right, come on up. So if you're confident, I don't mind if you do two at a time. So if you want to drag one or two.
Strategy of kind of guessing.
That's okay. Guessing is good.
Walker, that was your old
A molecule. Yes, you're right.
I'm gonna see.
Do you want to do one more, or do you want to pick someone else?
I'll pick someone else. Pick me, bro. I'm gonna go with Owen. Let's go, bro.
All right. Element or molecule? You can do one or you can do two.
After looking at them.
Oh my god, you're so
Boom.
Yes, thank you. Owen, do you want to pick someone else who can come up and do an element or a molecule?
We're gonna do double it up. Double up. So I can go twice.
Don't take forever. Luke's coming up, okay. Element or molecule?
Whoever goes up, just don't pick that.
Yeah.
It'd be nice now.
Whatsoever.
H2O. Does anyone know what H2O is?
Oh, it's water.
Water. Okay. Element or molecule? We need to take a look at that one. Help Luke out. Is this an element? Or is it a molecule? It is actually a molecule. Thank you, Luke. So I want you to pick someone else. We'll get into the why. That's
Oh, no. Not you, Walker.
Violet. Zach, you'll be up there. Don't worry. All right, an element or a molecule?
Element. No. That's how you make Optimus Prime.
It's that one is actually a molecule.
That's sugar. What do you mean?
Okay, what's happening here? Let's hit the pause button for a second. Not in reality, the video will keep going. Why are those molecules and not an element? What is the deciding factor here? What is the difference between it being an element or a molecule? Walker.
There's not a capital letter after it. It's all a capital letter and a number.
There are numbers. Yeah, there are numbers in every single one of these selections so far. But let me ask you this one. I'm going to pick on this one right here. NaCl. Is this an element? Is this a molecule?
Well, it's salt, so.
It is actually salt.
Yes.
Let's go.
This is actually a molecule.
Not to.
Sam. Yeah, come on up. I want to see if somebody can pick an element. Which one of these could actually be an element? No, this is actually, in fact, a molecule. Yeah, thank you, Sam. Do you want to pick someone? I see a couple of hands. Somebody maybe hasn't been up yet. Paige, come on up. Oh, sorry.
It's Capricorn.
Capricorn.
It's Capricorn.
No, that's mine.
That's such copycat. No, that.
Not that.
Yeah.
You're going to scratch it hard. Yeah, that's it. Scratch it with your fingernail. Press hard. All right, we have our first element. Thank you very much. Well done. Can you pick somebody else? We have our first element.
Pick Zach. No.
Thank you. Yes, very well done. If you didn't do it, I was going to pick him for you, so thank you. Owen, be nice. All right. Molecule or element?
It's a molecule.
Oh, psyched me out. It is a molecule. Well done, Zach. Okay, pick someone, Zach. Payback.
Walker's like, can't pick me after I just abandoned you for.
Yeah, you just abandoned me. I'm not picking
Yeah, what
you
a
guys.
loser. Pick me.
Come on up, Trent.
Zach? telling you it's H and it's an element. Okay, so it's H and an element. I'm telling you right now.
Are you sure?
100%.
Good try it.
Okay.
Scratch it hard. Yep, keep it going.
100%.
You're right. It is an element.
Yeah, Trent.
Well done, Trent.
Pick me, man.
No, no one likes color.
No,
All right, somebody.
Yo,
Trent,
Trent, pick me,
I
man.
know I
Trent,
want
have
to
to
try.
work Luke again. What?
Come on up, Luke.
Oh, yeah, absolutely correct.
Oh, no.
Levi.
Come on up, Luke. I'm
I was
gonna get you to
take
pick.
Levi 'cause he, like,
Do you want to pick two?
Okay.
Okay, Luke's gonna try two here.
Luke's just such a
Deuces.
gangster, so.
Yo,
It's
Luke
H
is
is an
built
element.
different.
That's it. Scratch it hard. Nice.
He's just a different
Carbon
breed.
is an element.
That's
And
Whoa.
chlorine is an element. Nicely done. Can you pick somebody else?
Luke.
These ones here.
Back to back, man.
Oh, thanks. Luke.
Frank.
Yeah, Frankie with
Yo,
no
Red.
Okay, these are the ones that haven't been picked yet. Do you want to do another one? Yes. Scratch it hard. There we go. Mg is an element.
Yo.
And FES.
Yo, Frankie.
Okay, is this an element?
Frankie.
Is it a molecule?
Oh, no.
This one is a molecule.
Yo, yo, yo.
We're going to talk about why in a second here.
Yo, yo, yo.
All right, Frankie, can you pick
Frankie.
one more
No,
person?
Walker's already been
Not Levi, not Levi.
Please, pick me, man.
Come on.
Ella hasn't been up yet, I don't think. Thank you.
Ella.
Ella, you can either do all of them if you want, or you can pick a person if you don't want
It's
to do all of them.
O element. O element. I know it.
O is an element. K3P.
No, you just built different.
Nice. Well done.
Yo.
Thank you, Ella. Okay. So let's hit the pause button here one more time. What makes an element, and how is that different from a molecule? Levi.
There's no numbers in the elements.
Elements, that's well said. Yep, elements are just a single type of atom. There's not an extra type of atom. For example, here we have sodium, this is NaCl. That's two different atoms. There's one of sodium, which is Na, and there's one of chlorine, which is the Cl. Okay? And you can notice that many molecules have numbers around them, like this is a molecule of sugar. There's three types of atoms, a carbon, which is C, a hydrogen, which is H, and O, which is oxygen. And there's many of them. There's 6 carbons in that one molecule, 12 hydrogens, and 6 oxygens. Okay, well done. So what is the difference then between molecules and compounds? We're going to do this one more time. Okay, we have less substances at the bottom this time. Now, some of these are both a molecule and a compound, but others are just a molecule. Can we remember which ones are molecules and compounds, and which are just molecules? Well, how about we get Levi to start us off here?
Wait, are we still on our Instagram live?
It's YouTube. Don't watch it.
Oh.
We're still live. Yes, Zach.
Wait, wait, Instagram.
Nice. Levi nailed the first one. O2 is a molecule. I get you to pick a girl.
What? Girl.
Sure.
I can do whatever I want.
Violet,
Violet
pick
doesn't
me.
have her hand up, but Patricia does. Come on up.
Yeah, Patricia.
Wait. I'm gonna.
Violet didn't even have her hand up.
Just remember, Walker, long hair. Just go off that.
Wait, how many viewers
Nice.
do we have?
Thank you. Patricia nailed it.
Patricia.
Can you pick
Patricia.
anyone you like?
Patricia, no, don't pick Walker.
We'll get you up there, Walker.
Why don't girls have to pick boys and boys have to pick girls?
Yeah,
It's a
man.
bit sexist, man. Over 40
Right? Yes, very good. We have a molecule and a compound. Can you pick
Come
someone,
on,
Sam?
bro, don't. She looked right at me.
Oh no, I'm saying. Oh,
Look at it
H2
there.
molecule.
It's not a conspiracy, Zach.
H2.
Oh yeah, started against.
H2 left.
Scratch it.
H2 left.
Plenty
H2
of
left.
Nice. Oh, whoopsies.
I'm sorry, man.
There we go.
Is it right? Is it right?
Casey didn't catch that. That was the one. Owen, can you pick someone?
Owen.
How many?
Walker, how many times have you been?
3. But I'm going.
Thank you.
Alright, Walker.
All right, so far we have, it's all correct so far. We have,
Okay. Bye.
we're adding to the molecules. Well done. We've got O2, H2, N2. Well done, Walker.
Can I take all the easy ones?
No, well, that'll be up for you. Okay, so we can choose one more person to come up, and the next person can do 2 as well.
I'm going. I can't pick Zach. I'm going.
Zach's next after the next
I'm
person.
going with Sam.
Sam, don't pick that guy.
S is a molecule and a compound. Well done.
Come on, well
All right,
then.
Zach. Zach's coming up.
Well.
I'm gonna
Yeah, you can't pick her.
help choose the next people. Just so
Yeah,
we
it
get-
has to get
Go ahead, Zach.
Feces. It's a molecule.
Is it a molecule?
No.
Well, it is a molecule. It is a molecule and it's a compound.
Oh.
Yeah.
Feces coming
Come on up, Luke. That is not feces.
Zach got up.
Does anyone know what Fe is? This molecule here. The Fe is actually iron,
Yeah, I knew that.
and the S is sulfur. Okay, go ahead there. Guessing is good. Go ahead.
So
Nice.
Me and my team
That
of
is a molecule
scientists
and a compound. Do you want to do one more?
Me and my team of scientists have
Walker?
organized that one is water.
No, thank you.
Okay, so Na and Cl. Is it a molecule or is it a molecule and a compound? It's a molecule and a compound. Let's take a moment before we do the last two. Why? Why is that one a molecule and a compound? And think about compound words like staircase or briefcase. Trent.
Because it's using sodium and chlorine and putting them together with mixed like table salt.
Nice. Every single one of these molecules and compounds actually contain at least 2 different types of atoms. And some of them even have 3 different types of atoms. So if it's a compound, it means it has at least 2 different types of atoms. You can see that while these are molecules, every single one of these, like this one is just, what's O? Oxygen, but there's 2 atoms of oxygen, but there's nothing else, just oxygen. H, does anyone remember what H is? Yep. Hydrogen, but it's just hydrogen. It's not hydrogen with something else. It's 2 hydrogen atoms. N, this is most of the air that we breathe is made of this. That's right, it's nitrogen, but there's only 2 nitrogen atoms. There's nothing else with it. And F is fluorine. Luke, well, let's get one more person up here. Frankie, can you finish it off and do the last 2?
And chlorine and fine. I've been eating chlorine.
We're in the last 2. Here we go. Yeah, we got Cl2 and K3P. Well done, Frankie.
Yeah, Frank.
If you made it this far in the video, congratulations. You watched the whole thing. We've got molecules which only have 1 type of atom, but all of these are all known as molecules. And they're also compounds because they have 2 or more atom types. Thank you very much.
Thanks
for watching.
Is Mr. Beast doing this, donating this most
I have a dead puppy in my mouth.